Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Truly Tara, and I do unboxings and reviews on skincare and makeup and whatever I decide I want to do. Today I have Allure, and I'm so let down with Ipsy right now. I'm hoping that this pulls me out of a just very sad state because I am just not happy with what I just got in my Ipsy bag. So like, subscribe, comment. Do not forget. I decided if we can get me to 100 by Wednesday, I'm like at 88. If we can boost me up to 100, I'm going to fill this and get it out. And the goal is I hit 100 and I'm going to ship it whenever I ship Dawn's. And so yeah, if we can get me to 100, I'm going to fill it and we're going to do another kitty race because that was just fun. So, all right, let's unbox this Allure. I think I forgot in my last video with Ipsy to say let's unbox this, but I already knew that I was agitated with the pics and seeing what they have in the drop shop now. It's amazing what they have in the drop shop. I just don't understand why you can't get that in your picks. So, okay. I'm going to stop talking about that now. And I feel like in my last couple of videos, you guys let me know. I don't know if it looks funny, and I know that my camera's been bouncing. Like, I'm going to have to either start doing this somewhere else, or because I know that bouncing is not cool. So, all right. Allure, let's unbox her. Okay, let's see if we have a card first. I'm pretty sure Allure always does have a box. So they always, I don't know if they always send you the HelloFresh. I know that FabFitFun does, but they might too. I'm not sure. And they're still putting out like the perfect present every month Allure box and the GQ box for men. That looks all right. Okay. Allure, revamp your beauty routine in 2023 with the member store. Okay, so here we go. All right, so this I already have, and it is, well, maybe, no, I don't think I do. Okay, so it's the whole O. Henriksen, I guess that's how you say it, O. Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Bye-bye dark circles. No matter how little sleep you got that night, you can count on looking well-rested the next morning with the help of the Reader's Choice Award-winning eye cream. So this is $44 retail value, and considering the box is 32, I think is how much it is with shipping. That almost pays for the box. I mean, it does pay for it. How much should I say? 44? Yeah, that pays for it right there. And I know that I got something from Ipsy from O. Henriksen, and I've not tried it yet. I don't know. I just haven't. I have so many other serums and creams that I just have left it alone. But I wanted to ask you guys, what serum do you love? Is there a serum that you love? I am looking for a new serum. I just like serums, and I have ordered something from Spoiled Child, which is a uh, sister company of Il Makiage. Well, Il Makiage has a serum and a cream. So I'm hoping that it's not the same formula. Considering it's a sister company, I'm thinking that it probably is. But I did a trial, so we'll see. But you guys let me know what serum you like. Okay, Acaderma. What is this? Okay. The Oasis Barrier Booster Serum. Interesting. Why you'll love it. Much like a moment of meditation, the serum has an instant calming effect on irritated skin. Soothing ingredients like olive leaf extract and Centella acystica, an herb that's been used for centuries to treat wounds, repair signs of redness. Press the lightweight watery serum and to cleanse skin. This is $68 for 30 mil. So how much this is 8 milliliters. So I mean, that's if you have red skin or this I probably won't open this because I don't have any problems with like red skin or irritation. So okay, let's move on. Okay, Sakajuan. Such a one. Okay. Okay, hair after the sun. Why you'll love it. It's a beach season, and this reparative treatment is on standby to make sure signs of long days spent outdoors don't linger in your hair. The creamy formula is made with hydrators like glycerin and castor oil to help replenish the moisture that seemingly stripped away by the heat of the sun. It's a leave-in. You leave it on for 20 minutes, rinse. And it's $37 for 100 milliliters. So there you go. Hair mask. Okay. Next, we have Bioma. Been hearing a little bit about Bioma. This is a jelly cleanser. Wash away a full day of makeup, sweat, and excess oil in a single step. So this retails for $11.99, 5.91 ounces. This is 1 ounce. So, I mean, I'm sure $11.99 for a big thing of this would probably be worth it. I'm excited to try. I love cleansers. I love jelly cleansers. All right. Not a lot of makeup in this one, but that's okay. I'm not hating it. So next we have Naturopathic Calendula cream. While you'll love it, this buttery balm is so hydrating. A penny-sized balm will nourish your entire face without making your skin feel the least bit greasy. Anti-inflammatory extract soothes irritation, while its calming aroma is the perfect way to unwind before bed. It's okay. Pretty packaging. And we are at the last but not least. Ooh, pound cake red velvet cake batter. And it let's make sure of what it is before we go putting it somewhere. While you'll love it, a red lip is always a classic choice, but not all matte liquid lipsticks wear as well as this Best of Beauty winning favorite does. I think I read that one wrong. The suede texture formula has just the right amount of pigment for a gorgeous, long-lasting payoff. I kind of want to try this, but I hate red. I just do not. I don't know why I cannot wear red lipstick. I just can't. Oh, and it retails for $26. So that was an okay box. Lots of skincare, and I like that. It doesn't all have to be all about makeup or, you know, exactly half of one thing and exactly half of another. So I'm glad that I got Allure back, because I think I said 30, but Allure is like $19.99. Yes. Because they offered, like, I came back because they offered me like a $15 box. So, yeah, it's only $19.99. So it's probably with shipping, $22, $23, taxes, all that stuff. So it's worth it, very much so. And well, you know what? I just thought of something. Allure sent me to, they accidentally charged me twice, which happened with Chick. It happened with Allure. Like 3 different boxes charged me twice this month. So keep an eye out for that. Chick is really bad for it. Like, stay on top of those purchases if you're getting a lot of boxes. I'm not even going to open that Allure, or no, everything that I got in this, I will put in this and some other stuff, and that's what we'll do for the giveaway. So if we can get me to 100, then I'll put the Allure stuff in here, and like I said, some other stuff, and Yeah. So like, subscribe, comment, make sure you're doing those things to help me get up in the algorithm. Um, and don't forget, you can use my code TrulyTara76 at Truly. um, and that will give you 15% off, and it gives me a commission, which is wonderful. Um, that commission really, that they're the only company that I get anything from is Truly. So that really helps me, and it'll help me put money back into these boxes to make it kind of worth doing. Um, so I'm going to end it there. I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.